Yo, 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 what is going on, guys? Chili Philly here, and today we're going to be playing this Broken Lava Furnace deck. I've been seeing this everywhere right now, guys. The furnace is super broken. I haven't played in a few days, and I was on vacation and I was screaming a lot, guys. I went to a couple games, so my voice is completely gone, probably for another few days. But yeah, guys, if you do enjoy these videos, please leave a like and subscribe. I appreciate all your love and support. We're just going to start with a miner, Zap here. And we're in my second account right now, pretty low on in League 2. Or actually, I think we're at the end of League 2. But we're just gonna cycle a Furnace. He decides to cycle a Witch. And I may just fireball it. Okay, well, fair enough. And a Zap. I may just go with a Lava. It's probably our best bet right now. And I'll probably try to get an Empress behind it. And I think the key with this deck, guys, is using your barbs properly when hang on one second. We take some damage, but we might have a decent push. We can miner something or just zap here. And yikes. Do I just curse? And fireball. We take that witch out, which is what we need. And get a little chip. But yeah, guys, the key is managing using your barbs and your furnace to draw out fireballs. Let's see. I don't really have a great play here. Cycle's kind of weird. But we take that out. Hopefully we can get a couple hits on tower. But double elixir is definitely where you shine. And I'm just gonna have to use the barbs around on this Mega Knight and waste a little bit of elixir. Unfortunate, but zap as well. I'm probably just gonna go in with the lava now that it's double elixir, and sorry if that was a little loud. Alright, we can just Empress in the back. He doesn't have his Evo Witch, which is really good for us. And that's gonna help take out the barrel. Alright, that's actually not good at all. And I will have two Goblin Curse here. And Zap. Oh, beautiful, we take that out. And now we can just you know what? I guess we'll just lava in this lane. And Empress here, we may lose our... Okay, we don't lose our tower unless he did a fireball. Let's do 300. I think we're good unless he has another spell. But I don't even... Yep, okay. We're going in. And I just kind of have to fireball cycle, I think. Okay, zap. Barbs. And I will curse here. And what a horrible fireball. We're gonna take... Look at the 3 crown. I didn't even see that, guys. Hopefully we get it. And I'm gonna zap. That should be a GG. And I'll see you guys in the next match. Thanks, Manuel. Good luck to this guy. I do remember Ian and Riley used to play a guy named Manuel. They used to make a million videos. He was like a giant graveyard player. But those days were pretty funny. But now the game has gotten even more out of hand since then. And I guess I just have to... Oh no, please, Mini P.E.K.K.A. Alright, nice. The Mini P.E.K.K.A. actually does move forward. And I'm just gonna barbs in this lane, I think. And that's actually really good. Barbs are gonna like take the tower. Okay, he has to fireball. Still a really good situation for us. I can just lava now. And he gets a few skeleton hits, maybe just one. None? Alright, I'll take it. And we're just gonna lava now. We haven't cycled many furnaces, but once you do, guys, it is kind of broken. In a deck like Lava, you only get it like once a game, maybe. Unless it's like an overtime game, but... A Golden Knight. I'm gonna have to just Furnace, and I will Spirit Empress as well. Get a couple good shots. And I can... Oh, we're just gonna have to let that go. And I will Miner here. And I have this Fireball, I think. Yeah, I do. That's gonna get so much damage. But I think we might 3-crown him. And I'm gonna Zap here. Oh no, wait, I'm not gonna win. I might have choked, guys. We get it down to 1,000. I'm gonna Furnace here. And Evo Barbs. And this is not good, guys. I'm in some... Oh wait, that's a Ground Empress. I'm in some serious trouble here. Alright, I have to Fireball. Just Curse to be safe. And I'm just gonna Lava like this. Furnace behind. Miner deep here. We need as much damage as we can get. And wait, I think we got it, guys. Nice. GG's. Good luck to this guy. And I guess I'll just cycle my Furnace off. Long lane. We'll save our Zap, let that go for now. But that Fire Spirit should get a shot on tower, so I think it's worth it. Oh, well, I guess not. Spirit Empress, just to try to take us out quicker. I could have played it faster, but... And get a shot on that mortar. Nice. Oh no. Not really great for us. I do have to Barbs here. And we take a good amount of damage. I could have used my Curse, but I need to save Elixir. I think we just need to try to stall till double, guys. Is probably the best strategy with this deck. That can be a little tricky at times, but we're going to let that go and just Lava now. And this Lava should stall us till double Elixir. I will Furnace. It'll help us cycle to the Evo. And one more shot. Nice, so he'll get only one more mortar shot, I think. Yeah, not bad. And I'm gonna wait with Spirit Empress. Alright, now we're gonna go in. And I'm just gonna Zap. Beautiful, and that's gone. And we can Curse here. And look at all that damage, you guys. Yeah, good game. Yeah, I'll probably just go to the next map here. Lower down this volume for this next one. I guess I'll just... Oh, well, we were gonna cycle it. We're just gonna Zap a barrel. And I'm not sure what kind of matchup this is gonna be. Alright, just Curse just to help take out this push. We're just gonna chill for now. Okay, no we're not. We're gonna Furnace. We're already down like a ton of damage. And Furnace, please take that out. Don't know what to do. He's gonna go with a barrel, and I'm gonna lose my tower. So I'm just gonna have to try to get his. Just lose this one. I'll Spirit Empress here. And honestly, not the end of the world. We're gonna take a ton of damage, but... And we take that out, surprisingly. It stays alive. Beautiful. He has to Tesla again. I'm gonna Barbs on the left side. He's gonna have to place up in the middle. Yeah, okay. Honestly, not horrible. We're gonna get to our Evo Barbs. Alright, what to do now? I guess I just have to lava again. I'm just gonna wait till I'm full elixir. Maybe just fireball. And then now we just wait for double. We need this push to be really good for us. And we're gonna let that go. I guess we just let that go. And this isn't really great for us, but alright. Evo Barb's on this side. He's gonna have to knight in the middle again. And we're just gonna go in here. He's gonna take everything out with that Cutter Cob. And let's see. Actually, it's not. Alright. We're just gonna lava early. He has to waste a Tesla. Spirit Empress. And that was probably a wasted Spirit Empress, but it's okay. We're gonna be alright. I'm just gonna Furnace. And I'm just gonna Miner as well. Bring that Knight back. Maybe Cycle Barbs. And I will Zap. And we can use a Fireball. And, I mean, we're okay. Not great. I'm just gonna Furnace. Make sure we don't take too much damage. Spirit Empress. Alright, I think we can do this, guys. We gotta make something happen. The Evo Dart's gonna be a pain, so we gotta take that out if we can. And I'm gonna Goblin Curse, Zap, and I think we got it, guys. GG's, and I will see you guys in the last match. Let's go. Alrighty, everyone, into the last match, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, guys. We're trying to get to 3,000 subscribers. I know I haven't posted a lot recently, but I just want to say thank you for all the love and support. If you guys want to drop a comment, ask any questions, let me know down below. I guess I'll just Spirit Empress for now. Help take out this Knight. And does that hit both? My fingers, I can't even see. I don't think it does. I'm just gonna let that go. And we take out at least one archer, two. Beautiful. And one shot? Yes. Alright. Oh wait, that Ice Spirit was low level. Didn't even see that. But it is what it is. Now we don't get a shot. I guess I'll just cycle Barbs. I don't know what to do. And I don't know if that's the best play. I'm just gonna lava. I mean, not really sure. He's just gonna keep cycling just to get another one down. Because I can just Spirit Empress behind it. So not sure. Okay, he's gonna wait and then Tesla, I think. So I'm just gonna mine it now. Oh, nice. Fireball. And then Furnace. And we're gonna cycle through Evo and Goblin Curse here. Take out that Tesla, please. That would be perfect. Beautiful. And look at all that damage. Furnace is gonna come in as support as well. And now we're in a nice lead. I am going to go in. And I think he knew that. And we're just gonna Fireball again? Oh no. Alright, nice. You do take out the Tesla. And we're gonna Furnace as well. And he gets a lot of damage. But now we're gonna go with Barbs over here. And go in with a Miner. And I guess I'll have to use this. But we're gonna take his left side tower, I think. We're pretty close to it. Yeah, we got it. GG's, guys. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like, subscribe. This deck is pretty good. But yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next video.